Introducing the stunning 2021 Ford Puma ST-Line in a gorgeous blue exterior colour with only 2,000 miles on the clock. This sleek SUV comes with a 1-litre petrol engine, manual transmission, and a range of impressive features including ambient lighting, satellite navigation, lane departure warning, and more. With ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, safety is a top priority in this vehicle. Plus, the spoiler adds a touch of style to the overall look. Rest assured, this Puma has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit hillsford.co.uk for more information.